Hi everybody. I want to bring attention to all over the world people. So what we're eating, are we eating healthy or we're eating junk? So when we're eating meat, as meat, any kind of meat, uh, chicken, beef, uh, pork, goat, whatever you're eating, whatever name it, whatever you're eating, cooking, you need to make sure it's clean, and whatever you're eating that's should be healthy, because whatever we eat, that affect our body. And nowadays, a lot of young people, they're having high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and many other problems. And but in this video, we're going to show you how we clean the meat, and yeah, we're going to boil the meat and take all the junks out. But if you're cooking on grill, that will be very good, because all the fat burned out and all the junk goes out. But when you're cooking in the pot, then all that fat and junk stay in the pot, and that we're eating. So that's not healthy. So we're going to start that right now, that work, and let's start the work. Okay guys, now we're going to, I have a chicken. Those are leg quarters, almost 6-7 pounds, and we're going to clean up those, and then we put in the pan and fill the water and we boil them. And then I have beef over here. They're already cut it in the cubes, and it's almost more than 2 pounds. And then what we're gonna do, we bring those, also we put another pan. Right here I have 2 pans, and then we fill the water and then we boil them. Let's start the cleaning of chicken first. So I'm going to start cleaning. Take most of the fat out and cut it into small pieces like that. And I think because if you're making something quick, so we should make small piece. So I'm making more smaller. Yes, and I'm going to take another one, and I'm going to clean it. It's a lot of mess already in there which we're cleaning, but later on when we boil them, you guys will see, how much more mess we'll get. So that's good. That size is good. So I'm going to start another one. Okay, all the cutting is done, and now what we're gonna do, we'll clean that later. What I'm gonna do now, that beef, I'm gonna put in this other pan right here, and we're gonna fill it with water. I think that much water is good enough. That much water. I'm going to put on the right here, and then I'm going to turn on the gas. Okay. The same thing we're going to do with the chicken, and we're going to fill with the water. Just like 5 pounds. That's good enough, that much water. And now we're going to put that on the 1, 2, okay, and then I'm going to turn on. Okay, Now it takes a little time to boil it, so we wait for a little bit and then we come back again, take a break. Okay guys, now the chicken is almost ready to boil. So what do? We just take a spoon and mix up all the chicken together so everything get cooked right, boiled right. The same thing with the beef too. Just do it like that way, and but it's take a little time to boil. So I have a gas oven, so it's taking a little time. So after it will start boiling, and then we'll show you again. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. The chicken and beef, they're almost boiling right now, and you can see the mess coming up. Look that blood and all that fat and everything. But it start coming up now, but it will be a lot. It's not just that much, We'll see, you guys will see that later, how much mess. And look at that beef. Look at that beef. Look at that mess. That's what we're eating. Look at that. See that? Look at that. And it takes like 2-3 minutes, 3-4 minutes to boil, and then take the beef out and throw the water away, and then the same thing with the chicken. Now chicken take a little bit more time because it still look like a messy still in there, a lot of mess still, junk, and just keep looking. And look at that mess right here. This is all fat. This is all blood, fat, and then if you see the water, you will find out, what we're eating. And when you guys do it yourself, try yourself, and then when you think that is what I'm doing, that's right, then please subscribe my channel. I'll be very thankful. And look at that mess right here. See that? Look at that. Now the real mess start coming now. I think it's almost done now. That's the only time they take to boil. And we turn off the gas right now, and we're done. So let it get cold a little bit, and then we take the chicken out and the beef out, and it is ready to cook now. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, now we're taking off from the oven. We're going to bring that beef first. We put it right here, and we take the beef out from the pan and put it in this one right here. So I want to show you guys how much junk came out from that beef, that water, what we are eating, that is right here. Let's let me take all that out. Let's see. Let me do it like that way. There's still a lot in there. That's clean chicken beef right here. Okay, I think nothing left in there. So this is all done. I'm going to put it aside back on the oven. Then I'm going to get now the chicken. We're going to put it right here, and we take all the chicken out. And but you should not keep the chicken or beef in for a long time in there, because if you keep it in the hot water for a long time, so that will get cooked more, chicken or beef. So as you boil it, just take it out right away and rinse with the cold water. I think that's it. So we're going to put right here, and then we turn on the cold water and make that chicken a little bit more cooler. And then you can clean it, whatever you want to clean. A lot of stuff still needs to clean, but most of the junk is already out. So if you just wash it with the cold water, that's ready to cook. Same thing with the beef. Just clean it with the cold water, and this is ready to eat. Ready to cook now. You can cook with in the pressure cooker or in the however you want to cook. Okay, now you guys need to see that, how much junk, how much mess came out from that chicken. Look at that, look at that. I want to show you in the light, and that's what we're eating, and that is all the junk we're eating, and that's our causing high blood pressure, high cholesterol, like that kind of stuff, so that's what I want to show you guys. Okay guys, I'm going to put that chicken mess back to the oven, and we'll throw that away later. And then I'm bringing now the beef, that beef mess right here, and I want to show you guys how bad and how it's all greasy and bloody water. That's what we are eating, when we don't boil it. So that kind of things, what we're eating, that's causing our all high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diseases, people have. So if we avoid all that stuff, so we'll be more healthier and more long life we have. So that's pretty much it right now. Okay guys, you guys saw that we boiled the chicken and beef, and you guys saw the mess, how much mess came out. But I want to tell you guys one more thing. Any kind of ground meat, beef, chicken, whatever, or mutton, ground meat, they will more messy when you boil it, because the stores, what they do, they add more fat when they grind that meat. So must boil ground meat too, and okay, a lot of people, they might be thinking, after boiling, the taste of the food, the taste of the meat will not be good. But I've been doing for last 20 years, and I never feel any difference. But maybe in the beginning you guys feel some difference, but you guys will get used to it. And hopefully you guys will like it. If you guys like it, if you guys find what I did is right, so please subscribe my channel, and be healthy and be safe. Thank you.